Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's video for class 11 classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Now first of all that our unit third unit, that is the classification of elements. Now first question is that what is elements. So in last video in first unit some basic concept of chemistry we have already discussed that what is element and types of elements. Now from here we know that in 1800 only 31 elements discovered, but later in 1865 there are 63 elements have discovered. We can easily read the properties of these elements and how can we learn it. So now from here this is the significance of this periodic table, that we have to classify the elements in a periodic table. Now here what is periodic table, let's we see. Periodic table may be defined as that the table which classify all the non-element in accordance with their properties. Such a way that the similar properties are grouped together in the same vertical column and dissimilar elements are separated to each other. Now here what is periodic table? Periodic table may be defined as that the table which classify all the non-elements in accordance with their properties. यानी कि जो elements है उनको classify किया गया है उसके according की जिनकी properties same है. In such a way, इस तरह से that the similar properties are grouped together. जो similar elements हैं उन्हें group किया गया है एक ही group के अंदर in a vertical column. And dissimilar elements are separated to each other. जो dissimilar elements है वो एक दूसरे से अलग हैं और जिनकी property same है वो एक vertical column के अंदर arrange किए गए हैं. Now this is the periodic table. Now we know that the Dalton gave a theory, that is the Dalton atomic theory. In this theory he says that the atoms of an element can be distinguished with the atoms of another elements on the basis of the atomic weight. So now from this conclusion that some scientists are come and he gave their laws on the basis of the atomic weight. Now thus earlier attempts of classification of element is based on the atomic weight. Now from here the सबसे पहले जो साइंटिस्ट आए थे, now the first scientist which gave the attempts law for the periodic classification of periodic table, that is the Dobner-Triades. Now Dobner-Triade is given by a German chemist, that is the John Dobner, in 1817. Now from here in 1817 John Dobner made a first attempt to classify elements. He gave it triads. Triads means triads, group of 3 elements. Group of 3 elements are known as triads. Now, according to Dobner-Triades, he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass, and he make triads of some elements. He says that the first and the third mass of the second middle element is equal to the mass average mean of the mass of the first and third element. Now here according to Dobner, he arranges similar elements in a group of triad. And showed that their atomic weight were either nearly the same or the atomic weight of the middle element was the arithmetic mean of other two. This group is known as triads. This group is known as Dobner triads. And this generation was called the law of triads. Now here Dobner triads, in 1817 John Dobner made the first attempt to classify elements. Now triads, what is triads? Triads is the group of three elements are known as triads. Now according to Dobner, he arranged similar elements in a group of triads. जो डॉबनियर थे उन्होंने क्या किया था, एलिमेंट्स को, जो सिमिलर एलिमेंट्स थे उनको तीन के ग्रुप में रखा था एंड शोर देयर एटॉमिक वेट, और उनका एटॉमिक वेट क्या किया था, शो किया था. उन्होंने कहा कि जो मिडिल वाला एलिमेंट है उसका एटॉमिक वेट फर्स्ट और थर्ड वाले एलिमेंट के अर्थमेटिक मीन के क्या होगा, इक्वल होगा. सो वी अंडरस्टैंड विद एन एग्जांपल दैट नाउ हियर फर्स्ट ट्राइड्स ऑफ alkali metal. That is lithium, sodium and potassium. Now here sodium is the metal, middle metal, and lithium is the first metal and the potassium is the third metal. Now he showed the atomic weight of these elements. The atomic weight of lithium is 7 and the weight of the sodium is 23 and the weight of potassium is, that is 39. He says that the atomic mass of the middle element is equal to the arithmetic mean of first and third element is equal or nearly same. For example, we have to see that here the mass of atomic mass of sodium is 23. Now from here mass of sodium 23, that is the middle element, and mass of the lithium, that is the 7, and the mass of the potassium, that is the 39. and here is the arithmetic mean निकालना है हमें, तो इसे क्या करना होगा, 2 से डिवाइड करना होगा. now from here that is equal to 46 divide में 2, that is equal to 23. Now here this is a proof that the mass of lithium plus potassium, the arithmetic mean of lithium and potassium is equal to the atomic mass of the middle element. Now here this is the law, triads of alkali metals. Now he gave the another triads of halogen. Triads of halogens. Now in halogen family he gave chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now the mass of chlorine is 35.5, mass of bromine is 80 and the mass of iodine is 127. Now he says that the mass of the middle element is nearly equal or to the arithmetic mean of the first and the third elements. Now here arithmetic mean of chlorine and iodine element, that is equal to chlorine Cl plus iodine divide by 2. Now here the mass of the chlorine, that is the 35.5 and the mass of iodine is, that is 1/127 divide by 2. Now from here that is equal to 81.25, which is nearly equal to the mass of the middle element. Now here the mass of the middle element is 80 and here is 81.25. There is this minor difference, so from here we can say that this is nearly equal. And now he gave the next triads of alkaline अर्थ मेटल, that is calcium, strontium and barium. Mass of calcium is 40, mass of strontium that is 87.5, so the barium is 137. Now here the arithmetic mean calcium and barium, that is equal to 40 plus 137 divided by 2. Now that is equal to 177 divided by 2, and which is equal to 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16.5. Now which is nearly equal to the mass of the middle elements. Now the next is drawback of Dobner triads. Means why Dobner fails to classify the elements in a periodic table, because due to its drawback that major drawback of Dobner's triad that the concept of triads could be applied only limited number of elements. Now the major drawback of the Dobner triads is that it is applied only the limited number of elements, because if we take triads of hydrogen, lithium and sodium, now it is not applicable for this triad, because here the atomic mass of the hydrogen 1 and the atomic mass of 23. Now that is equal to now from here the atomic mass of lithium is 7. We know that. Now the here arithmetic mean of the hydrogen and sodium, that is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12, which is not equal to the atomic mass of the lithium. So this was discarded because it is applied only a limited number of elements. नाउ आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.